Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Do you know about the great mosque of Samarra, which is located in Samarra city in Iraq? In the 9th century, this is the largest mosque in the world. Behind a wall 35 feet high, hundreds of octagonal columns form 17 aisles that lead towards a vast courtyard. There is space for an astonishing 80,000 people. Alongside, sitting on a 100-foot wide base, an enormous spiraling sandstone tower. It's a gigantic minaret from which the faithful are called to prayer. Can this enormous mosque help explain why Samarra is built? To find out, ventures up to the minaret summit. The minaret has stood here for 1200 years. The summit was damaged during fighting in 2005 but has been fully repaired. From the top, a vast arid plain unfolds for mile after mile. It's important. The mosque is clearly visible. The mosque should be seen from miles away. Why the minaret is so high, yet a tower half its height would have been ample. To identifying its builder may reveal why the minaret is so huge and why the mosque and Samarra are built in this wilderness. Document tells that the builder was Khalif and Mutawakki, a man who loved architecture. Samarra is built in 836 AD to be the capital of the mighty Abbasid Caliphate. Its territories stretch from modern-day Tunisia in the west to Central Asia in the east. It is one of the largest empires in history. It's even bigger than the Roman Empire. Its ruler, the Caliph, builds the Great Mosque as the centerpiece of his new capital to proclaim the glories of Islam and the power of the Abbasids. This is the 10th ruler of the Abbasid dynasty. He comes to power in 847 AD when the empire is at its peak. He oversees a huge expansion of Samarra. He doubles the size of the city and orders over 20 new palaces. He decorates each palace with elaborately carved stucco panels of repeating floral motifs, a new style that defines Islamic art for centuries. The Samarra Mosque and its iconic Malviya Minaret, about 120 km north of Baghdad on the banks of the Tigris River. Its restoration work has been in accordance with international standards. In recognition of their significance, they were collectively designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007. This prestigious honor highlights their outstanding universal value and underscores their importance in the narrative of Islamic civilization. Jazakallah. If you like the video, then please comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Jazakumullahu khairan kathira.